Hello Divi fans, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate any page or post in WordPress. Now this method will only work, as far as I know, using the Divi theme builder. If you're using the Divi theme builder, duplicating a page is actually quite simple. You would go here to add new page, and this is only one way. You can also duplicate a page by copying and pasting everything, or by saving the layout using the Divi cloud, and then using the Divi cloud to insert that layout in another page. But this is, in my view, the simplest way to duplicate a page. So I'm going to call this page test SEO page. Okay, there was a delay there. Test SEO page. No sidebar. This page isn't going to be published anyway. It's for demonstration purposes only. Save draft. And then once this is done loading, I'm going to click the purple Use the Divi Builder button. And then once the Divi Builder is done loading, it should have the screen that says, how do you want to edit the page, with the three options. And you're going to want to click the one that says Use Pre-Made Layout. It's taking a while to load. Let's see if I can refresh the page. Yoast SEO. We have a few videos on Yoast SEO. It's one of the most useful plugins in WordPress. We got website promoters who use that plugin all the time. That's shown to help our website in the search rankings significantly. It gives you pointers on how to best write a meta description, use the slug, use the SEO title, keywords. Okay, now we're going to choose the option that says choose pre-made layout. Then you're going to, this is crucial, you're going to go to where it says your existing pages. And then you're going to choose the page that you want to duplicate. I'm going to choose one of the SEO pages. Fullerton SEO company, use this layout. Now be careful, you don't really want to generally duplicate pages unless there is some specific reason to duplicate a page, because generally search engine algorithms don't like duplicate content. They prefer original content. So whenever you duplicate a page, it should be a means to an end rather than creating a carbon copy of a page, which search engines don't like. Okay, and then everything from that page shows up. You can save the draft, and then preview the page. It's taking a while to load. Okay. We have another video on WP Optimize. I recommend checking that video out. That plugin has increased the performance of our website significantly. Okay, now here is a carbon copy of the page. Now after this video is done, this demonstration page is going to be deleted or sent to the trash. Okay, so that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. All that engagement helps.